You're looking for a drill-operated leaf blower that you can operate and blow leaves with a short, powerful blower, a 650 CFM, 150 mile per hour, variable switch. We're going to show you what this product is about. Descyber, 150 mile per hour, 650 CFM, brushless drill type leaf blower. As we unpack it, we have the instruction guide laid on top, and we protected by soft foam. We have the leaf blower. 21 volt, 4.0 amp hour, 4000 milliamp batteries, up to 30 minutes of runtime, depending on the speed chosen of the variable switch. With the DIN power plug, AC charges the unit by plugging in, and we have the handle, size of a hand to an elbow, weighs about 2 pounds. It comes with a short chute and attachable units. It also has a round unit located in the box, easy to take off by rotating and pulling forward and placing on the short chute of the nozzle or the wide angle, and have a leaf blower to blow dry a car, clean areas of dirt, blowing leaves, and more. With the wide angle chute on, attaching the battery is sliding in, pulling the trigger. It is black and a highlighted green with the trigger variable speed, the brushless fan of exhaust going in and blowing out, with the ergonomic rubber handle grip and the battery area. We're going to demonstrate blowing leaves with the drill. Get into tight quarters by blowing. Leaf blower, if this is something that you're looking for from Descyber, it is a leaf blower, drill operated, short shaft, long shaft, and more. Enjoy your product.